Hello everyone, welcome to Cracker video series. As many of us know, your CAT 2023 admit cards are now officially available. So take a moment to grab your admit cards by logging in with your credentials. Now let's see how to download the admit cards. Firstly, go to the official website of CAT, that is iamcat.ac.in. Then click on Registered Candidate Login for CAT 2023. Click on Login, enter your credentials. Click on login. Now we can see the application form. Side to that you can see an admit card. Click on that. You all can see your admit card ready to download. Download your admit card. So after downloading it, and of course don't forget to print it out. So after downloading it, open it. So cross check all your details, your name, application number, date of birth, category, emergency contact number, and don't forget to also look at your test day details like date and day of the test timings, and which session you belong to, and the reporting time, gate closing time, and the test center as well. And also follow the instructions carefully. And when exam day comes, remember to bring your admit cards along with your valid photo ID. Check the date and time and location in advance to avoid any surprises. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. And as always, feel free to ask any questions in the comments below. We are here to help you on your MBA journey. Until next time, happy studying. Thank you.